Hi, guys! Hey! Hi, guys! Hey, girlfriend! What's going on here?
We decided that you are no longer one of us, Princess.
What?
Dahil sa lahat ng ayaw namin, yung pirated, fake, bogus at sham.
What? Why are you treating me this way?
Move over, Princess. Your reign is over. The Queen has arrived. Let's go, girls.
Why is everybody avoiding me?
Sorry, hindi namin sinasadya.
Bakit lahat ng tao ganito sa akin? Anong ginawa ko?
Siguro, hindi mo pa nakikita ang nakasulat sa Girls CR.
Anong nakasulat?
Ano ba? Tumigil nga kayo. Tumigil kayo.